Considering new countertops but not sure where to start? You've come to the right place.
That's right, countertops do more than just look good. Taking up a big portion of your kitchen square footage, as well as 15 to 30% of an average kitchen remodel budget, countertops need to offer functional benefits as well.
But where do you even begin? How about with a simple question? How do you intend to use the space? Do you consider yourself an avid chef? Or is your kitchen more of a gathering place for friends, family, and general entertaining? Being able to establish how you'll use your space is the best first step.
Absolutely. At the end of the day, your lifestyle will significantly influence your choice. Now it's time to take a look at and break down some of the most popular countertop material options, so let's dive in.
Starting with quartz, we have here a man-made material offering a non-porous surface that's incredibly durable. It's resistant to stains and scratches, making it ideal for busy kitchens where some extra wear and tear is the norm.
And while most homeowners will be attracted to its stunning look and feel, it does come with a higher price tag. So if budget is a concern, we do have some friendlier options to discuss, so stay tuned.
Next, let's talk about granite. It's a natural stone carved out of the earth, meaning each slab is unique, which makes it a popular choice among homeowners. It's heat resistant and durable.
But it does require regular maintenance through periodic sealing to maintain its beauty. Falling into the mid to high price range depending on quality, this can be a more flexible option for your next remodel.
Let's change course a bit and talk about laminate, being the most budget-friendly option that we'll be talking about today. It's available in a wide range of colors and patterns. In fact, the laminate manufacturing process has gotten so good that most laminates can effectively provide the look and feel of higher quality materials, offering that luxurious look for less.
However, the trade-off is a less durable surface that can be prone to scratches and heat damage. If you're an avid cook that foresees some hiccups in your kitchen, this may not be the right choice.
Finally, let's explore solid surface. Considered a reasonable middle ground option, solid surface offers a seamless look with the ability to integrate sinks and backsplashes into the design. They're not as durable as quartz or granite. However, what they lack in durability, they make up for in easily repairable surfacing.
And just to recap budget for these four major materials, here's a quick guide for you.
Aside from material considerations, there's a few other things that you should be aware of going into the market for a new countertop.
First, consider patterns and veining for your countertops. It's important to note that these two aspects will differ when exploring the smaller material examples you might see when making your selection.
These small examples are simply an easy-to-handle size portion of the larger slab and could differ slightly from what the final product in your home will look like.
But customization doesn't stop there. From edge treatments like beveled, bullnose, or even a waterfall edge, you have a wide array of countertop add-ons at your disposal to make it as personalized and you as possible.
While we've covered the process of how to choose your countertop, you might be curious what to expect when they're installed.
Your countertop installation involves a multi-step process, which includes measuring, cutting, and installation. Our team ensures everything is perfect from start to finish for you to enjoy your countertop for many years to come.
We hope this video helps you choose the perfect countertop for your next remodel. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen remodeling tips just like this.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.